Hi everybody, welcome to my bubble. Today is Wednesday and I promised that I would upload every Wednesday. So today I almost did not want to do a video. I woke up this morning late and I woke up at like 6 o'clock? Super late. Okay, so I usually wake up at like 4:30, 5 o'clock and I get a lot of stuff done before the kids wake up. I meditate, I work out, I reflect on my day, I get ready for the day, but today my brain just decided to turn on at 2 a.m. and just go ping. Let's, think about all the things that we want to do with our life just forever. So it just wasn't a good night for me. I woke up super late and just feeling kind of meh today. So I wanted to do something for my kids. I know in a previous video I talked about not cleaning my kids' rooms for them, like ever. Like I never clean their rooms for them. Like that's their responsibility. That's what they take care of. But lately they've been really good at helping me out around the house and making sure that the playroom is clean. So I just wanted to do something nice for them, and their rooms are kind of, they kind of need some help. So, and that's the girls' room, and that's just even worse than the boys' room. So I am going to clean their room today for them, and it'll be a surprise when they get home from school. They'll be excited about it. So let's get started, guys. It's kind of a quick look at what it looks like right now. I dumped these out earlier. These are clean clothes. I just washed them yesterday, and I put them in here, but Ben didn't have time to pick them up and put them away. So I had to find some specific pants for Landon this morning, and I did not want to dig through that basket, so I just threw them on the floor, but I'll be putting these away. So just a quick look at what his room excuse me looks like right now. Well, I didn't need to show you the wall, but the floor, yes, mainly the floor is just big. I mean, it's not really that bad, but still needs to be cleaned, and I just kind of wanted to do something nice. So let's get started on the boys' room. Okay, so his room is clean. Dirty clothes over there that I gotta put in the wash. And then, yeah, everything's clean. He likes to deal with the stuffed animals. There's like a certain way he arranges them, and I have no idea how to do it. I decided not to put away his clothes because I don't have time, and I'll let him do those because he actually I actually don't know where any of his clothes go. Like, he has this system. I let my kids rearrange their room however they want. They have full control over how their room is set up. So this is how Benjamin decided to set his room up. And, you know, and then there's stuff that I kind of put on his desk because I have no idea where they go. So he can deal with those, but at least his floor is clean and they can walk around and not step on Legos everywhere. So, yeah. Okay, so the girls' room is a totally different animal. Seriously. Like, why? The poster is off the wall a little bit, and it's just like, what the actual heck happened? Hey, at least the stuffed animals are kind of organized. So, yeah, let's get started in here. Yippee! So my phone died, and then I was talking to my friend. Then I had to go pick up my kids from school, but the room is done, so that's what matters. Room is all done, and the kids are gonna be so excited when they come home, when they see their rooms all clean, and they can actually walk into their room without stepping on stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed watching me clean today and inspired you to clean areas of your own home. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you all have a wonderful and bubbly day. Goodbye!